Alright guys, so the time has come. We're here to try Prime. It's been months and months and months, and everyone seems to be going absolutely berserk about this. I've never tried it, never thought about all of it, but it's just, yeah, just stopped by the shop to buy some nacho chips, and I saw this. Guess the price. I was just laughing and swearing all over the place. One of these is more expensive than a bottle of wine, a good bottle of wine. They were $7.99 each, so 2 for 14 pounds. I would have never spent. It was just one of those novelties I had to try. So I got blue raspberry and tropical punch. You want to try one?
Let's do it then.
Let's see. Smells okay. Hold on, let me do it first.
Now it's your table.
Yep. You have to swill it round. You have to do
Oh, this is fucking wank. For
It's quite sugary. 25 calories. It's not a lot of sugar in it.
Oh, mind you, this tastes better than the blue
No,
one.
I like this one. Way
Really?
better.
But the aftertaste, you can tell that there's so many, sugar none.
In
You can
numbers.
tell there's so many sugar alternatives, and oh my god, why? You've been YouTubers. Why go into this? Honestly, I mean, I'm not even gonna go about your boxing careers, you muppets.
Includes added sugars.
This is wank.
Something sugars.
Please buy, guys. Don't buy this. The only reason.
And there's no protein.
Yeah.
What is the point of
Yeah,
this?
exactly. No protein either. So, yeah, here we go, guys. Total wank.